Thank you for joining us. This is Samsung's latest S-series flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone, purchased in Poland. Samsung announced its latest flagship product family, the S26 series, on February 25th, 2026, 5 days before the Mobile World Congress event in Barcelona, Spain. The new S26 Galaxy smartphones were on full display at MWC and garnered plenty of excitement alongside other competitive smartphones like the Honor Robot phone and the Xiaomi 17 Ultra with the manual zoom lens, which is now released to the world market. As we mentioned earlier, the Galaxy S26 Ultra used in this video was sourced from Poland. The antenna bands embedded in the phone's frame are multi-radio antennas. If the RF and connectivity designs are similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra design, then the antennas at the top will support cellular, GPS, MSS, and the 5 to 7.2 GHz Wi-Fi radios. We will have more to share in the upcoming teardown videos, so be sure to follow along on the Tech Insights platform.